PSL transfer windows are very tricky. Iwindi lisaqala. Ungazitshela ukuthi team yakhe ingakwazi ukumthenga lo mdlali lo. Ngokuphuma ama-report aspeculateayo kuthiwa i-team kanje ifuna umdlalo kanje. Kuthi phela leyo transfer window leyo umdlali agcine engayijoyinanga i-team yakho. Yabo lobo iJothi uzoyijoyina. I-tricky ngayo leyo ndlela yakhe i-PSL transfer window. Lana ngizokhuluma umdlali ekuthiwa Oswinapolis. Oswinapolis isaqala i-transfer window bekuthiwa uzoyijoyina Orlando Pirates. I-deal ibisisealed. Kwenzeka izinto ezenzakalayo. According to ama-reports, i-deal bisisealed. Kwenzeka izinto ezenzakalayo umfana kwathiwa namanje umfana akayijoyini Orlando Pirates bekanje benomatulude yabo. Kuthiwa uthando lwakhe lilele ku-Kaizer Chiefs yabo singesazi kodwa kuthiwa uthando lwakhe lulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Lana ngizokhuluma abadlali laba abathathu. Mekwenzeka Orlando Pirates ingamtholi uOswinapolis. Oswinapolis is one of the best players abadlalayo la eSouth Africa. Badlala isho Bafana Bafana. Umdlalo wePulwane City lo. So kulabadlali laba nginoDevin Titus, kubuJaden Rhodes, mase kubuSabelo Sithole. Sabelo Sithole umdlali weRoyal AM, one of the best wingers esinawo la kuBetway Premiership. Lo mshida lo ngidlalela amnandi inkinga yakho underrated akanayo iPR team ezokwazi ukuthi ikhulume ngayo. Indlela adlala ngakhona lo mjida lo. Uyangidlalela njengayo Oswinapolis umfana Sithole. Umfana Sithole uyadlala njengayo Oswinapolis. Into oyibona lapha kuOswinapolis usengayithola na kuSithole. uSithole mhlawumbe ngamthola ngemali encane. Because I'm sure uSithole lapha kwiRoyal AM ngiyazi abize ngaleyo ndlela because iRoyal AM ineyinkinga right now and bangayidinga imali. Orlando Pirates mayase ilandele namhlanje imscout indlela adlala ngakhona umfana ngenzeka ayithole sejoin Orlando Pirates singesazi. I'm not saying here sengiyabathengisa ngiyayithengela Orlando Pirates. I'm just saying umdlali mina engabona replacement right for Oswinapolis mekwenzeka singamtholi. This guy is very underrated. I don't think angaba ne problem ekusuka ebenchini azoshintsha igame kuOrlando Pirates because he's not that star player. Yabo Orlando Pirates ayideal kakhulu nama star players. Yabo so getting this guy from Royal AM ngeke kube khona iuproar enkulu kakhulu ekuthiwa hayibo Orlando Pirates ithenga umdlalo kanje. Yabo akanalo udumo oluningi but uyakwazi ukudlala umjidi. Yabo so mina I would consider uSabelo Sithole from Royal AM ajoin Orlando Pirates uma ikwenzeka le deal lesingayitholi ya Oswinapolis. Another good talented player uDevin Titus owathola i-first call up yakhe kuBafana Bafana the last game. Devin Titus is a good player bafethu. Devin Titus is a good player and I wouldn't mind uma iOrlando Pirates ilandela yena uma le deal le kaOswinapolis ingenzeki. I wouldn't mind. Lo mjida lo bafethu useyihluphe kakhulu Orlando Pirates. Useyihluphe kakhulu Orlando Pirates. Angifuni ngisho ukukhuluma ngaye. Yabo last game we played against Stellenbosch bashaya ngenxa yegoli lakhe lo mjida lo. Uyakwazi ukudlala iwinger la left wing udlala i-left wing. Yabo udlala kamnandi lapha kule position. So I would consider this guy. Yabo the reason why ngikhuluma nje ngenza abafethu umfukeng ahambe kwiOrlando Pirates. So umfukeng mehamba kwiOrlando Pirates ubani umdlali ozongena esikhaleni samfukeng. Yabo so we need players. We need quality players abasofike bangene lapha. Yabo so umdlalo njengoDevin Titus angaba umdlalo kanjalo mfethu okwaziyo mfethu ukutake on ama defenders futhi angaba umdlalo right ozisiza kwiCAF. Angazi ngithini ngalomjida lo ngangitshela ama comments ukuthi nizizwa kanjani ngalabadlali labo. Mhlambe nawe ukhona umdlali yabo ungambonayo ukuthi mhlambe angamreplace uOswinapolis kule deal uma ideal yaOswinapolis ingasebenzi. Uma ubona umdlali ongamthanda a replace le deal yaOswinapolis. Yabo ungambhala ama comments. Another player mina ngokwami engimbonayo ukuthi mhlambe angasinikeza something. Yabo he's the guy odlala eCape Town City right now. Jaden Rhodes. Jaden Rhodes bafethu sengakhuluma uJaden Rhodes abaningi abangilandelayo sebangizwa ngikhuluma uJaden Rhodes. Jaden Rhodes ubena ama links noOrlando Pirates. Actually unawo ama links noOrlando Pirates. But iCape Town City iphuthe iprice tag yakhe u30 million. Thiwa iCape Town City is willing to let go for Jaden Rhodes for 30 million. Ngingazi ukuthi mhlambe singakwazi no ikhipha imali engawo because right now ama rumors abe speculate ukuthi Orlando Pirates ifuna ukukhipha 15 million for Oswinapolis. Imagine ke uJaden Rhodes is double that money. Yabo. Jaden Rhodes is double that money and I won't think uJaden Rhodes ngakwazi umthola kuleli windi leli. If you can get Oswinapolis kuleli windi leli, why not chase i-signing ya Jaden Rhodes mase kuphela season? Because Jaden Rhodes is one of the good players nathi sinabo la eSouth Africa with 2000. Actually le badlala ade ngibabala right now bama 2000 bobathathu. Yabo. So this guy, why not chase this guy bafethu? Yabo. He's one of the stars, rising stars esinawo la eSouth Africa. Na akayitholi phela akayitholi shine amanye young stars ayitholayo la kuBetway Premiership. Yabo. So why not chase this guy? Ngengaze ngangitshela ama comments bafethu uVane Sport lo ngiyatholakala YouTube ngiyatholakala ka Facebook Vane Sports nange-Instagram futhi ngatholakala nguVane Sports. Ungangitshela ama-comments umuphi nomdlalo ongamreplace ngayo uSunapolice uma le deal le ne-Orlando Pirates ingasebenzi. Umuphi umdlalo ongamkhetha actually.